Hello viewers, we are going to see lubrication methods used in machines. Okay. Lubricator is a device applies a specific amount of lubricant to the engine shaft and the machine component such as bearing, gears and other engine parts, etc. For simple machine parts, simple type of lubricators are used such as oil can, grease, plug, grease gun, etc. For other, we are using the special device as below. One is screw down cap lubricator. It has a lubricator body to hold grease. Null cap is screwed over the top portion of the lubrication body. The lower part of the body has a thread nipple to be fitted with the bearing or machine parts to be lubricated. The grease is kept in the body. It can be operated manually by turning the null cap. The amount of grease is pushed in through the capillary to the engine parts. Next, quick feed lubrication. It works on the chiffon principle. It consists of a glass body fitted with a central pipe attached in the bottom portion of the glass body. The lower portion of the body has a nipple to feed grease into the machine parts. The nipple will have an oil hole through which the oil drops down. Cotton wick hangs about 40 below the oil level. The cotton wick gets soaked in the oil. The oil is stripped off by gravity and vibration into the machine part. Okay. Next is pressure grease gun. In this, grease is applied to a particular point by forcing the grease through a nozzle using a manual pressure by operating a hand lever. The sprung ball bearing blocking an aperture in the grease nipple is depressed by the lever, allowing the grease to escape through the outlet tube. The various parts of the device are barrel, hand lever, bottom handle, head, outlet valve as shown in the figure. So this is the pressure grease gun. Top we will have the lever ring oil lubricator. It consists of an oil trough to keep sufficient oil in it. The trough acts as storage of oil and is placed below the shaft to be lubricated. A metallic ring hangs over the shaft and the bottom portion of the ring hangs on oil. When the journal rotates, the ring also rotates and it carries oil from the oil path and spread the oil and place on the top of the bearing. The oil is further distributed to the bearing through the oil groove and the excess oil spread down to oil trough. Okay, the system found suitable for slow speed horizontal shaft. Okay, this is the splash lubrication. In the lubrication, um, extra oil is applied to the cylinder and the piston by rotating a dipper and the connecting rod bearing cap. Each time they rotate, the dipper passes through a oil-filled trough. After running through the oil trough, the dipper splashes oil onto the cylinder and the piston to lubricate them. Okay. Then pressure lubrication. In this system, oil is taken from the wet sump through the strainer by the pump and delivered to pressure of 200 to 400 kilopascal to the main oil gallery. The oil pressure is maintained by means of pressure relief valve, which is situated in the filter unit. The oil filter removes the dust and other particles. Oil from the main gallery flows through the holes drilled inside the crankshaft and the main bearing to lubricate them. The pressurized oil flows through the oil lines. Okay, so this is a pressure lubrication system. There will have oil pump to pump the oil from the sump. Okay, to the various parts of the engine member. Okay. There will be pressure gauge to monitor the pressure of the lubrication oil. Then side wheel lubrication. Oil mist is an aerosol mixture of very small oil droplets suspended in air with the appearance of smoke. The mist is generated by passing compressed air through the vertical through a venturi into siphon oil from a central reservoir as shown in the figure. Okay, so this is a side wheel lubrication. Okay, thank you.